Hello beautiful people, welcome to this YouTube tutorial. This is a continuation from the previous video. We forgot to look at the differences between a theory, an hypothesis, and a law. So to begin with the theory, so when you hear the word theory, it means a number of ideas or something like that. But in science, a theory is more than that. So when we talk of a theory in science, we mean a bunch of information which is backed up by a number of facts. A number of facts that really validate this to qualify to be for something to be a theory. So an hypothesis backed up by a number of facts that can be proven to be true or wrong do qualify to be called a theory. So like we have cell theory in biology, and under the cell theory we have so many theories that are backing up the cell theory. For example, we have evolution theory, natural selection. All those the fossils, all those are used to back up the process, the cell theory. And in chemistry we have the atomic theory, and we have a lot of theories which are backing up that big major theory. So a theory is something, is an hypothesis, or is a sentence, or is an idea which is backed up by facts, and these facts may be proved to be right or wrong. So therefore these theories are not usually true. They are information that we have, but since we have facts which back them up, so we take them to be true. So therefore a theory is very different from a law. So to look at a law, usually a law is the behavior of nature. So there's nothing much you can do on a law. For example, the law of gravity. So when I throw a ball up, it will automatically come down. Wherever I do it, be it in the US, be it in Africa, be it in South America, Asia, Europe, name it, the process will still be the same. So the law, a law is the behavior of nature, something that can be repetitively done and you get the same results wherever. So however many times you do it. And this can also be true with the theory, because very many scientists do contribute to this, and very many experiments were done to prove some of the things. So a theory can also have multiple experiments done and do all come to the same idea or the same answer. But a law is something that nature does, and it doesn't usually change. It's all the same. So like the law of Newton's laws of motion, so they are really backed up by nature. It's about nature. Then lastly, for the hypothesis, like we said in the previous chapter, that an hypothesis is just a tentative guess that can be proven right or wrong after carrying out an experiment. So thank you very much for your time, and tune in next time for introduction to the human cell.